All right, next up, question 18. Set write an equation for a function with a double root at x equals to 2. So let's go ahead and write this equation as we read the question. So f of x is equal to double root at x equals to 2. That means x minus 2 squared. A single root at x equals to -1. That means x plus 1. A triple root at x equals to -2. That means x plus 2 cubed. And the function passes through 1, comma 10. So that means f of 1 equals to 10. That means you have a little a value you have to solve, just like the previous question from question 17. For question 17, we are given a graph, and now we are given some descriptions. So f of 1 is equal to a, 1 minus 2 squared, 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 2 cubed. And f of 1 is equal to 10. So a is equal to -1 squared times 2 times 3 cubed. So a times +1, and then 2, and then 27. This is 10. So a is equal to 5 over 27. Okay, 5 over 27. So our final equation, it's going to be, I'm going to be a little bit lazy here. I'm just going to duplicate this equation. And then we'll erase the a and write down our a value, which is 5 over 27 times x minus 2 squared times x plus 1 times x plus 2 cubed. Okay, so make sure you understand when we say double root, single root, and triple root, what do they mean? Okay, and if you are given a description and you have to match it with a sketch, would you know how to sketch the graph? Okay, so don't just stop right here. Also ask yourself, can you actually sketch the function? Okay, that would be very good. Now, if you want to check the correctness, see if your question is correct, what you can do is to make a quick sketch. This is 2, this is -1, this is -2. So now based on what we have, it is a degree, it's the 6th power, it's a positive, so it should start high. And then you have a triple root at -2, and then a single root at 1. And then you have some sort of y-intercept. And then you have a double root at 2. So, so based on our given information, f of 1 is equal to 10, we will say, yeah, it makes sense that f of 1 could give you 10. And it's an even powered function. It starts high and end high. So that gives you a pretty good confidence that you are on the right track. This should be a correct equation. If it's not the correct equation, you probably would have to, well, you would not have f of 1 equal to 10. You would not have a point at 1, 10, okay?